Hello guys, good evening. It's late night here and I'm so sleepy, but I want to share my top 10 favorite Marvel toy. So every one of us has a favorite Marvel, Marvel Legends, Marvel Select, but for me, I have so many Marvel toys that is good and cool looking figures, but it has to be almost top 10 only. So this is my collections. See, right? There's also on the top and on the bottom. That's Iceman. The custom ice bridge is not finished yet. I'm working on that. Alright. Here we go. Let's start from number 10. My number 10 favorite is here. Doctor Doom. Dr. Von Doom. This Marvel Legend Doctor Doom is very cool figure. I love the colors. He has many articulations. I like the helmet, the face. So this is my number 10 favorite Doctor Doom. My number 9 is this Beast Marvel Legend. I like his colors. It's not small but not too big. Is definitely the right choice of size. It has a good articulation and good for posing. So number 9 is Marvel Legend Beast. Number 8 is Custom. It is a rare item. Definitely really hard to find. So I made this Custom Marvel Legend Black Cat. The head is from Invisible Woman. Damn beautiful. The head is from Marvel Legends She-Hulk. Painted it. Acrylic. The base body is from a DC character. I don't know, I forget that name. So good articulation. So this is my favorite number 8 Marvel toy, Black Cat. And number 7 favorite is Abomination. Abomination Marvel. This guy is really cool, really scary. Look at his face. Right. I love the combination of colors, painting. He is a lot good articulation and good pose. So this is my favorite, number 7. Oh shit, don't worry, fix that. My number 6, one of my favorite also, is also Custom. She is the Black Widow. You see, the head is from Invisible Woman Jessica Alba. She's damn beautiful. The head is from She-Hulk. So I painted the chest to reveal some of these. She's what you call that? Cleavage. Yeah, she's very sexy. I painted the guns and some details. Yeah. So this is Marvel Legends Black Widow. Shit, sexy girl. So what number am I? Number 5. My number 5 favorite. This is also a rare item. Marvel Legends. This is from Iron Man 2 movie. It's a War Machine. He's very cool. I love the details from foot to head. the hands. Look at this. My camera stuck on blur. You can't see them. I don't know if you can see. Let's forget that. So good detail. The guns. So I love this. Number 5, War Machine. My number 4 favorite Marvel toy is, see this fit? The Hulk. Yeah, I really love this guy, you know. It's very cool. Too many articulation. Good for posing. I love the colors, combination of green, dark green, yeah, black. So look at his face. Yeah, he's very angry, very mad. So the size is good. I also love the Marvel Select Hulk, but he's too bulky for me. So this one is really like. So this is my number 4. My number 3 favorite, of course, is one, Wolverine. Yeah, I really love this. This is from Marvel Legends Face Off, from Saber to Tiger. So I really love the shape of this guy, the size and the look of his face. So this is my number 3 favorite, Wolverine. My number 2, yeah, I think the other says that he is number 1, but for me this number 2. Yeah, it's also a rare item, the Juggernaut. I really love his hand, the veins, the size of the muscle, the helmet. I really love this guy, you know. It's very difficult to find. So this is my number 2. Really bulky. It is size from the height of the Hulk. See, you see the comparison. Only 1 inch. So this is the number 2. So my number 1 is the all-time favorite toy. So I buy this only a loose item. So I made a custom shield for him. So it's Ultimate Captain America. This is my number 1. This really cool. The shape of the head from bad to the body up to the foot. So he has a lot of articulation, good for posing. I made this shield custom. I painted it red, white, blue. This shield is not finished yet, so I'm working for it. So this is my number 1 favorite, Captain America, Ultimate Captain America. Really nice. So I hope you enjoy, guys, my top 10 Marvel toy favorite. So let me guess, what is your top 10 favorite Marvel Legends toy? So have a good day and have a good night.